Hello, good evening, a very happy good evening. So thank you for joining. So this is Krishnaveni and we've been talking about the story of life on earth, and that's biology. Yes, welcome to my full syllabus Menti today. Hi Durga, hello, a very happy good evening. Hi Naveen, hi Anthony B. So thank you so much for joining my Menti today. So please do like, share and subscribe. And without any further delay, the Menti code is 22790742. Hello, hi. Yes, I'm good, thank you. How are you? You're half asleep. Well, so thank you now. So this is a full syllabus Menti. So what are the chapters that will come has been mentioned in the description below for all those of you who have confusion. So I have mentioned each and every name chapter properly, not the unit but the name of the chapters as such. So we are going to play for 45 questions and it will not take much of your time because we have only 2 leaderboards. So each question has a time limit of 30 seconds. So this will enhance your time management as well as your conceptual understanding. Come on, quickly please join. Yes. So the Menti code is 22790742. So why has it been named botany? Because of course you have physics, chemistry, botany, zoology in the new pattern. So we start off with botany. And day after tomorrow, we have full syllabus zoology. Hi Kathy, I hope you're doing good. So thank you so much for joining my Menti today. So please do let your friends also know that they have a full syllabus Menti. So irrespective of what language we communicate, so Menti is in English. So I hope you can at least read the questions if you cannot understand the English that I speak. So I hope this much you can do. Yeah, come on quick. So the Menti code is 22790742. Guys, come on quick. So we having 45 questions, 30 seconds each. So the same speed you will do it in your exam. So then you will never leave any question unattended and you will never run short of time. Come on quick. So meanwhile, let people join. So tomorrow at 5 p.m. we are having a 15 minutes coffee break session. So it is a motivational session. But the topic is something very new. So it says money heist mania. So as we know, so tomorrow the much awaited Spanish serial is releasing season 5 Money Heist. So what is that people grow crazy for this? So what is it? So we are going to talk. So it's a motivational session for 15 minutes. So please join me tomorrow at 5 p.m. for the coffee break session. So the Menti code once again is 22790742. Yes, I hope people have joined. Can we begin? Yes. So Kathy seems irresistible. She's all the more excited to play. Yes, can we start? Yes, please send a thumbs up. So I hope all of you have joined. So please send it a thumbs up if you are done joining. Hi Swami, yes, welcome and good evening. So can we begin? Yes, please send a thumbs up because it shows more people watching but less people have joined. So is there anyone facing a problem in between? So the Menti code here is 22790742. So you're volcano, okay, so you're gonna have a lot of fire within you. Okay, so all the very best for you. So I am beginning without any further delay because 45 questions will take a lot of time, though it is 30 seconds. Right, so here we go. Ready? Yes. So question 1 of the day. So it's botany, guys, okay. So the free-living fungus trichoderma can be used for killing insects, biological control of plant diseases, controlling butterfly caterpillars, producing antibiotics. Yes, what is the answer? Hi sweetie, yes, very happy good evening. So thank you so much for joining. So please do like, share and subscribe. So 30 seconds is still too much of time. So usually I give only 20 seconds, but I have been generous. I have given you 10 seconds as extra. So come on quick, give me the right answer. Yes, the free-living fungus trichoderma can be used as biological control for the pest of plants. Yes, very good. So that was a good try and that was a good start for the evening. So here we go to question 2 of 45. Yes, ready? So question number 2. Structure with 9+0 microtubule arrangement is a centriole, is a cilia, is a basal body. Is it both A and C? So guys, I would say when you have option like this, please reread the question 2 times extra so that you do not make a mistake. So options like this can be deceiving as well as it can be clue giving. So make sure how you decide. So the structure with 9+0 microtubule arrangement is a centriole, cilia, basal body, A and C both. Come on quick. Yes, done answering? So please don't wait. Okay, so it is both centriole and basal body. So your cilia and flagella have 9+2 arrangement. Your centriole and basal body, so both A and C are right. Okay, that is why I said please read the question. So it's fine. So we move on to question number 3 now. So question 3 of 45. Hi Morgan, yes, good evening. So 5 into 10 to the power 5 bacteria are present in a culture medium. This bacteria divides in 10 minutes. How many cells will be present after 1 hour in the culture medium? So if you remember, we have solved this question in class. So during the lecture, so what will be the number of cells in the medium after 1 hour? Hi Frieza, yes, welcome. So it's happy to see you here. So please do like, share and subscribe and quickly join the Menti. The code is written here 22790742. Yes, done? So 1 cell divides into 2. I am here giving you a clue. So the answer will be how 32 into 10 to the power 5. So the first division itself, it becomes 10 power 6. So it will be 32 into 10 to the power 6, right? Yes? Okay, Anthony Abhi, no issues. So please reload. So please don't panic. So please restart from again. So the last option is the right, and none of you gave me the right answer because no one paid attention to the exponential number there. Okay, so here we go. Question 4 of 45. So here we go. Choose the enzyme which participates in both the process of photosynthesis as well as cell respiration. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, ATPase, cytochrome oxidase, peptidase. Anthony Abhi, is it working for you now? Is the Menti working now? Yes guys, what is the answer? So choose an enzyme that works both in the process of photosynthesis as well as in the process of your cell respiration. Yes, quick, it isn't a tough question. So none of the questions are tough questions, so I have never got a trickle thinking question today. So don't worry. Yes, that is your ATPase, because in your chemi-osmotic hypothesis also we have your ATPase, as well as in your ETS also we have your ATPase. Yes, that is fantastic. So majority have turned out to be right now. So Anthony Abhi, what is the status? Okay, so here we go to question 5 of 25. Okay, so no issues, continue. So please don't worry. So C-peptide of human insulin is a part of maturing insulin molecule responsible for the formation of disulfide bridges removed during the maturation of proinsulin to insulin, responsible for its biological activity. Don't have to be sorry, it is not your mistake, that's completely fine. Yeah, so we have to tell you sorry on behalf of Menti. Yes. Question number 5. Okay, so please give the answer on the Mentimeter, not here, because you will lose if you give here. Yeah, the right answer is option C. So in the proinsulin state we have your C stretch, and in the mature stage the C stretch is stopped off, right? Yes, absolutely nice. So here we move forward to question number 6 of 45. Ready? So here we go. So let's see how quick you are in botany. So parenchyma is commonly present in phloem, pericycle of the root, hypodermis, both A and B, both. Okay, you practice in OMR. Oh, okay, fine. So parenchyma is commonly present in which of the following? Phloem, pericycle of the root, hypodermis, A and B, both. Yes, so I have told you a clue also to remember this. So please don't make a mistake here. Yes. What is the right answer? So it's both A and B, that is phloem and pericycle of the root. It is not hypodermis because hypodermis is made up of collenchyma and sclerenchyma in dicot and monocot respectively, right? Okay, so hence we move forward to the next question. So question 7 of 45. So here we are going in jet speed. So very good. So I really appreciate your time management, guys. So the net gain of ATP molecules alone from glycolysis during aerobic respiration is 2, 6, 10, 4. Yes, what is the answer? The net gain of ATP molecules from glycolysis during aerobic respiration is which of the following? So I want the net gain. I want the net gain. I repeat, I need the net gain. Yes, and it isn't a tough question. It's a straightforward question. We have discussed glycolysis. Yes, guys, quick. Yes, done answering? Yes. So the net gain of ATP is only 2. The net amount of ATP that is involved is 4. Sorry, it is totally 4 that is being gained and 2 that is being used. So if I have 4 rupees and if I have to invest 2 rupees, so what is my profit is 2, right? So the net gain is your profit. So here the number of ATP molecules is 2. Fine. So good, not bad. So majority of you have managed to grab the right answer. So here we go to question 8 of 45. Yes, come on, please don't wait for all the 30 seconds to be done. So the trigger for the activation of toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is the acidic pH of the stomach, high temperature, alkaline pH of the gut, mechanical action in the gut, insect gut. Yeah, so there can be no question as easy as this, but you can expect questions like this. So it's not going to be a tough exam after all, because we have been tediously preparing for almost a year now, right? Yes, quick. So the trigger for the activation of the toxin is what? So Bt toxin, yeah, it is the alkaline pH of the gut. Very good. So that is incredible. So almost 75, more than 75% has given me the right answer. So question 9 of 45. So here we go to question number 9. A colorblind man, yes, your cup of questions, whose both parents had normal vision and whose paternal and maternal grandparents had normal vision, had probably inherited the gene for color blindness from. The question is big, but the concept is very, very simple. Paternal or maternal grandfather, paternal or maternal father, father, mother. The question seems 4-lined, but the essence is only a single line. So that is the first line. So a colorblind man. So remember that, that is the clue. Yeah. So let me see how many of you have given me the right answer. The man is colorblind, but no one in his family is actually colorblind. So how can the man get? Probably his mother is a carrier, because colorblindness is X-linked. So it is option D. So there were only 4 people who understood the question, or maybe the 4 of them had it by luck. But that is how you interpret the question. Sometimes the questions that are really big aren't really tough. Okay? Yes. So please pay attention next time. So this was a simple question, but I tricked it. Okay. So question 10 of 45. So here we go. Question 10. The wall of the guard cell away from the stomatal aperture is dash and towards the stomatal pore is dash. So what is this A and B? Thick and thin, sorry, thin and thick, thick and thin, homogeneous, cellulosic and lignified. So what is it? So we have drawn the structure of stomata a number of times, the guard shaped cells, the kidney shaped cells. Yes. So away from the stomatal aperture, what is the status, how it is? So what is the consistency, whether it is thick or thin? So please let me know, quick. It isn't a tough one. It is straightforward from your textbook. Okay, one that is away from the stomatal aperture is thin. Okay, and the one that is towards the stomatal aperture, this one is thick. So it is option A, that is the right answer. So people have equally gone wrong, which means you are confused and you are also in a stress to manage time. It's okay, relax, this is just a practice. So question 11 of 45, yes, we have done 10 questions, very good. So in C4 plants, the photolysis of water and carbon dioxide fixation into the glucose occurs respectively at both in the bundle sheet cells, that is both the process. So here we are discussing 2 processes. One is photolysis of water, the other one is carbon dioxide fixation, that is your Calvin cycle or the Hatch-Slack pathway. So where does it happen? Yes, come on quick. Come on quick. It's okay if others are answering, but end of the day what matters is if you know the answer or not and if you're able to give your best, and how peaceful are you with yourself, right? Yes, come on quick. So I'm talking about in C4 plants. So C4 plants has a variation, right? So first everything happens in the mesophyll cells, and then the carbon dioxide fixation, that is by the Calvin cycle, so that happens in the bundle sheet cells. So here it is option C. Fine. So the questions seem to be simple, but yet it will be tricky. So that is how you will feel during your exam. So here we go to question number 12 of 45. Yes, ready? Yes, don't lose your enthusiasm. So question number 12. A farmer supplies calcium, magnesium, iron regularly to his crop field, yet he observed that the plant showed deficiency symptoms like chlorosis and necrosis. The probable cause is molybdenum is deficient in plants, manganese may be more than critical concentration, roots are not able to properly absorb these minerals, radial conduction of minerals should be inhibited. Yeah, what is the answer? Yes, it is again straightforward from your mineral nutrition, so I have not tricked. So in fact, it is much easier. The options are not tricky, right? Molybdenum is deficient in plants. Where are you all coming from? How did molybdenum come into picture? So if a farmer supplies other things properly and still if he finds a deficiency symptom, that is because of the toxic concentration of manganese, right? So manganese tolerance, manganese toxicity. So that is where it is. So please wake up. So plant physiology isn't that tough after all. Come on, here we go. So question 13 of 45. So don't lose your energy. For all the 45 questions, I need you with the same energy. The largest cell of the female gametophyte of the flowering plant is the egg cell, central cell, antipodal cell, synergid cell. Ma'am, yes, everything comes in the embryo sac, but I don't know. Please think. It isn't a tough one after all. The largest cell of the female gametophyte of the flowering plants is the egg cell, central cell. Okay, well, the right answer is central cell because that does not have a cell. So the entire embryo sac becomes the primary endosperm cell later after fertilization, right? Okay, so that's commanding. Very good. So here we go to the next question. Yeah, so question 14 of 45. Yes, ready? Okay, Antonia B. Yes, no issues. So due to the deposition of tannin, resin, latex, etc., the secondary xylem becomes dash in color and becomes dash to biotic and abiotic stresses. So what does A and B respectively mean? So whether it is light green and becomes resistant, or dark brown, or it becomes susceptible, dark brown and resistant, or light brown and resistant. Yes, come on. Quick. Yes, so your secondary xylem is dark brown in color and it becomes resistant to microbial degradation. So option C is the right answer. So very good guys, here we go to question 15 of 45. So here we go. So 1/3 is done, right? We still have 2/3 left. So climax stage is achieved quickly in the secondary succession as compared to the primary succession, as secondary succession occurs on a bare area, occurs after primary succession, occurs in an area where previously built organic matter is present, autotrophs of poinium. So this comes in your ecosystem. So we spoke about ecological succession. Yes? It seems that you forget. Okay. Yes. Yes, here we are talking about ecological succession. Come on guys. Done? So it's very simple. The answer is straightforward. Okay, that is because it has already occurred in an area where you have already existing organic matter. Yes, option C is right. Very good. So here we go to question 16. So after 5 questions, we are going to have the leaderboard. So question 16 of 45. So here we go guys. Sporangia bearing leaf of pteridinium is known as, so are you able to recollect where pteridinium comes in? It is one of the classes of the members of your plant kingdom. So epiphyll, sporophyll, chlorophyll, cataphyll. So this is very easy because only one term we know. So the other terms we do not know. So everyone should be able to answer it as quickly as possible in 5 seconds, not more. Yes, come on guys, quick. Don't wait for all the 30 seconds. If you know, please give the answer. The one who answers quickly also gets more points. Yeah, so yeah, it is sporophylls because that is the only thing we know. So pteridium is a class in your pteridophytes. Yes, well played. So here we go to question 17 of 45, right? Here we go. So question 17 of 45. How many of the following is commonly present in angiosperms and gymnosperms both? Ovule, pollen grain, antheridium, archegonium, trachate, vessel, free gametophyte, seed, fruit. So it should be present in both angiosperms as well as your gymnosperms. So please read it properly. Yes, quick. Yes, Antonia B, kya hua? What happened? You're still not able to join. If you're not able to join, that's fine. Please give me the answers here. Okay, let's see how many of you have done it right. So I have a variety of answers. 6. How come? So you have a pollen, you have an ovule, so fertilization happens. So it should be in both angiosperms and gymnosperms, right? So you have your tracheates, right? So then you have your seed and you have your fruit. So flower is missing in gymnosperm. So there are 5 things that come in common, right? How 6? How 6? Rethink once again. Both tracheates and vessels are not there in gymnosperms. Yes. So here we move forward. So this is how you guys make mistakes. So this is how you correct your mistake. So question 18 of 45. So here we go. Don't worry, otherwise give me the answers here. All I want to know is how you perform. So that's enough. So human insulin is being commercially produced from a transgenic species of Escherichia, Mycobacterium, Rhizobium, Saccharomyces. So this does not need more than 2 minutes. Come on guys, quick. Come on, quick. So human insulin, which is commonly known as humulin, yes, perfect, wow, fantastic, I'm impressed. So all of you have given me a right answer. So very good. So here we move forward to the next question. So it is question number 19 of 45. So after 2 questions, we are going to have the leaderboard. So which of the following may have used as a genetic material as well as a catalyst? So you have your DNA, RNA, protein, B and C both. So which can act as a genetic material, may have acted as a genetic material as well as a catalyst? Now give me the answer, quick. Quick. So are the questions tough? You want to be in board? Okay, I really understand. So try once more. Try once more. We still have a lot of questions. Yes, done. So why is this question taking a lot of time? So when concepts are fingertips, answer comes out spontaneously even in your sleep. Yes, it is only RNA, it cannot be both. So protein act as catalyst. So I agree, all enzymes are proteins. But all proteins are not enzymes. Guys, come on, wake up. So you have your exam very near. So please don't make silly mistakes. Then regretting will not give you anything. Yes, here we go. So question 20 of 45. So 26 questions, right? So catalytic converters are fitted into automobiles to reduce emission of harmful gases. So catalytic converters change unburned hydrocarbons into carbon dioxide and water, carbon monoxide, methane, carbon dioxide and methane. So this is from the last chapter of your class 12, that is environmental issues. So here we talk about automobile pollution. So there we implement catalytic converters. So what do? Come on guys, quick. Yes, quick. 30 seconds is more. Okay, so I really didn't want people to panic. Don't worry, in the next round I'll reduce the time. Okay. Yeah, so that is carbon dioxide and water. So not carbon dioxide and methane. We are not talking about greenhouse gas, guys. Okay, so here we have the leaderboard for the first time. Let's see how well you guys have performed. So here we look at the leaderboard. Okay. So hi Bikash, after a long time. I hope you're doing well and thank you for joining. So Ahnaf is the fastest and on top, so fantastic play. So that was very brilliant, very good. So Bikash is just nearing you, so he's a tough competitor. So Sunshine, hello Sunshine. Hi Par, hi Kathy. So Kathy is here. Madhu, Nisha, so Ola Hope. Hello, Advait and Homer. So very good. So these are my top 10 players. Fantastic. So others, don't lose hope. You can also have a chance to come up on the leaderboard. You still have 25 questions. Yes, ready? So still enthusiastic? So can we move forward? So here we go. So here we move forward. So question number 21 of 45. So here we go. Evolutionary advanced character present in Selaginella is, it is not advanced, it has to be advanced, D has been missing, I'm sorry. Presence of ligules, heterophilous, sporangia and cone heterospory. So which is the evolutionary advance? Okay, fine, hello Praveen. Yes, come on quick. So which is the evolutionarily advanced character here? Come on guys, you should not take all the 30 seconds, that is too bad. Yeah, that is heterospore. Yes, very good. Quick. So here we go. So question number 22 of 45. So question number 22. So during the process of ecological succession, the changes that take place in the community are orderly and sequential, random, very quick, not influenced by the physical environment. So this is to the point answer. So this, the moment you read the question, the answer is straight in front of your eyes. So you should immediately click the answer. Yes, come on, quick. Yes, quick. Done? Come on guys, done? Yes, okay. So the change is orderly and sequential. Yes, fantastic. Very good. So here we go to the next question. So question number 23 of 45. So the next leaderboard comes after 45th question. So how much of the net primary productivity of a terrestrial ecosystem is eaten and digested by the herbivores? So literally I am asking about the primary productivity that is being passed on to the secondary or the primary consumers. So what is it? Quick, 1%, 10%, 40%, 90%. So your name is either, is that how I pronounce? Yes ma'am, very happy good evening. So welcome and thanks for joining our Menti today. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes guys, what is the answer? So it is very simple. It is a 10% loss. So I have just reframed the question so that you take time in reading. So I just want to check your smartness. Yes, so it's understood all of you are smart enough. Yeah. So question number 24 of 45. So here we go to question number 24. So which of the following cell organelle is correctly matched with the structure and function? So lysosome, nucleus, mitochondria, all of the above. Yes, quick. So which of the following organelle is rightly matched with its location and its function? Quick. So though it took a lot of time and effort for me to do 45 questions in the software, but it's worth it because I'm enjoying playing it with you. Yes, quick. So this is from the chapter Cell, the Unit of Life. So let's see how many of you have done it right. So it's an easy one. So all of the above. How come? Lysosome has pH higher than the nucleoplasm. So which means you know nucleoplasm is acidic. Yes, because lysosome has acidic enzyme, right? Yes. Okay, so the right answer is mitochondria, which has oxidative enzymes and aerobic respiration. So fantastic. Oh, that's fine. So that is Praveen on the leaderboard. Okay, fine. So here we go. So Anthony Abhi says really good question. So thank you. So question number 25 of 45, because I took time in reading the question, selecting the question. So independent alteration of generation is observed in Thallophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. So please think while answering. So the terms might look familiar to you, but read it once again. So one wrong answering will give you -1. One right answer will give you +4. So in a way you lose almost 5 marks, right? If you do it wrong. Yes, quick. Come on. So independent alteration of generation is observed in, oh my god, Pteridophyta, right? Your prothallus is independent. So what is the confusion here? I have a variety of answers. Guys, please be vigilant. So your competition will be high in NEET exam. So here we go to question number 26 of 45. Here we go. The phenomenon wherein the ovary develops into fruit without fertilization is parthenocarpy, apomixis, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Definitely it is not the last option, but please choose perfectly between option A and B. So the phenomenon wherein the ovary develops into fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy, apomixis, asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. Good, quick guys. Yes. So always within the given time, don't use the entire time. Please always take 5 seconds to breathe as well. And the right answer is parthenocarpy. Wow, I'm really impressed. So all of you are really smart. Okay, good. So proud that you're all my students. Can I say so? Okay, so here we go. So question number 27 of 45. So you're really enjoying the quiz. Thank you guys. Which one of the following set of animals belong to a single taxonomy group? Oh, I'm really sorry, I guess. Okay, so this is from Living World also, you can say. So cuttlefish, jellyfish, silverfish, dogfish, starfish, bat, pigeon, butterfly, monkey, chimpanzee, man. So this is really not animal kingdom. So this is from your Living World. So that is also part of botany. Yes, quick. Silkworm, tapeworm, earthworm. So they belong to a single taxonomy group. Yes. Ma'am, questions are good and according to NEET pattern only. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Kathy. So it gives me really a lot of energy to play with you guys. Yes, that is monkey, chimpanzee, man. So we are closely related, right? Yes, you're absolutely right. Very good. So here we move forward. So here we go to the next question. So question number 28 of 45. So all those who were not visible on the leaderboard, try to come up on the leaderboard. So conjoint vascular bundle are common in dicot leaf, dicot stem, monocot leaf, all of the above. So conjoint vascular bundle are common in dicot leaf, dicot stem, monocot leaf, all of the above. So whenever you have all of the above, that is a time where you have to be very alert. So it can neither be deceptive or it can be clue giving. Yes, and the right answer is, so what is conjoint vascular bundle? So when you have, okay, I'm telling, it's already time. So when you have a phloem and xylem, that is conjoint vascular bundle. So conjoint is seen only in your stem. Radial is what is seen. Okay, so conjoint vascular bundle are common in dicot leaf. Yeah. So your conjoint is seen in your stem and your leaf, and your radial is only seen in your root. So here conjoint, so you have leaf, stem, leaf. So conjoint is not talking about anything about your cambium. So it does not ask about open or closed. So here all of the above is the right answer. So those 6 people who use their smartness, that is presence of mind. Okay. Yeah. So here we move forward to the next question, question number 29 of 45. Okay, so we are moving at a jet speed. So fantastic. So we are almost done with 26 questions in 25 minutes. Very good. So during microsporogenesis, meiosis occurs in the endothecium, microspore mother cell. Microspore tetrads are pollen grains. So during microsporogenesis, meiosis occurs in endothecium, microspore mother cells, microspore tetrads, pollen grains. So won't you accept me as a fellow Indian? So does states matter? So don't we all belong to the one category of biologists? Don't we all belong to one category of Indian? Yes? Yeah, so meiosis occurs in which of the following? Fantastic. That is your microspore mother cell or your pollen mother cell. Very good. Okay. So here we go to question number 30. Yes? Okay, you're enjoying the quiz. Very good. Thank you, Rahul Raj. So question 30 of 45. So botany is not tough after all, right? Yes? The outermost and the innermost wall layers of microsporangium in an anther are respectively endothecium, tapetum, epidermis, endodermis, epidermis middle layer, epidermis and tapetum. So here I want you to write the outermost and the innermost. Outermost and the innermost, quick. That's fine. Anyways, your exam is in the morning, so it's not at 4 AM, but you have to change this habit. It is not good for a long run, at least for your exam, because your exam is during the day and not at 10 PM, right? So please try to change that. At least the day before exam, please sleep well. Yeah, that is really right. So epidermis is the outermost and tapetum is the innermost. Fantastic. So here we go to question number 31. So 15 more questions and we will know who is the mega winner. So here we go to 31st question of 45. So here we go. Dark reaction in photosynthesis is called so because it can occur in dark also. It does not depend on light energy directly. It cannot occur during the daylight. It occurs more rapidly at night. Come on, quick. Yeah, it is simple English based question, right? It seems so, right? Come on, it isn't tough. So I have no questions for which you need a paper and pen. It is understood. Quick. Quick, quick. Yes, it does not depend directly on the light energy, but it depends on the products of the light reaction. So that is why it is known as a dark reaction. So fantastic, guys, very good. So here we move forward to the next question. So question number 32 of 45. So come on, guys, don't lose your enthusiasm. So come on, let's play just almost 14 questions and then we are done. So which one of the following statements can best explain the term critical concentration of an essential element? So the essential element concentration below which plant growth is retarded, essential element concentration below which plant growth becomes stunted, essential element concentration below which the plant growth remains in the vegetative phase. So all of the above. Come on, quick. Thank you, Advait. Thank you so much, guys, for your compliment. So I guess all of you love my questions. Very good. Okay. Yes, it is worth the pain that I went through, right? So from morning I have been doing this. Okay, so critical concentration, essential element concentration below which the plant growth is retarded, only that makes sense. So I told you all of the above can be deceptive. So just like you don't go with the cover of the book or the cover of the movie can be really horrible. So here critical concentration, the right statement is point 1 alone. Okay, so here we move forward to the next question. So question number 33. So question number 33 of 45. So would you agree if I say I was not from Earth? So the enzyme that cuts DNA at specific sites with identifiable genes is DNA polymerase, DNA lyases, DNA ligases, restriction endonuclease. So this should not take more than 2 seconds, guys. Come on. So it's not though we have done enough revision, so we are not that back in studies. Hi Durga. Yes. Hello. Thank you. Yes. Come on, quick. Done. Who's taking still all the 30 seconds? Come on, guys. Save time. So the more time you can watch Money Heist, you can play PUBG, right? Come on, quick. Yeah, that is undoubtedly restriction enzymes which can chop off DNA at specific sites, okay? So question 34 of 45, here we go. Which of the following statements regarding SCP, so SCP single cell protein, is incorrect? I want the incorrect statement. So contains carbohydrates and fats. Single cell protein obtained from algae and fungi. Commercial single cell protein is based mainly on yeast and fungi. Substrate for single cell protein is sawdust, paddy and straw, which is incorrect. Okay, so this is not in any of the PYQ, so I don't want to revise the same PYQ. I just want to twist and give you, so I just want to see what is your reaction. Not bad, you guys are facing it really strong. Yeah, yes, so this is incorrect. It contains fats and carbohydrates is incorrect. So all the other three are the right statement, guys. So please read the question if they're asking for the right statement or the incorrect statement, okay. SCP is your single cell protein, okay. So question 35 of 45, so complete zoology will be on Saturday, Menti for zoology is on Saturday. So twisted aestivation and simple leaf both are present in your soybean, solanum, China rose, pea. Quick! Soybean, solanum, China rose and pea. So twisted aestivation is when the whorls of your petals, the sepals, are overlapping in a particular pattern, that is twisted aestivation, and a simple leaf where the midrib is not incised by the lamina. Come on guys, what is the answer? Soybean, solanum, China rose, pea. Yes. Let's see how many of you give me the right answer. So China rose is the right answer. Very good guys, very good. Okay, fantastic. I am impressed. So I have full confidence that my students can clear NEET or come out with flying colors. So here we go to question number 36. Yes, Antonia B, thank you. Biomolecules will be in here in botany only, so it is not included in zoology. So which of the following can be used to differentiate monocot with dicot plant? Root stem, venation, type of fruit. Sorry, D, please remove the D. A and B both. So this is option D, both A and B. Yes. So which of the following can be used to differentiate between monocot and dicot plant? Yeah, China rose is your hibiscus. Yes, you're right. Quick! So both A and D, root system and type of fruit. Yes, that's good. Very good. So you guys have answered. So here we go to the next question. Ready? Yes. So here we go to question number 37 of 45. So sequence those appear in mature or processed mRNA is known as your intron, exon, terminator, promoter. Quick! Quick! I guessed. So someone like this should be one of you. Okay, no issues, Keshav. So I like your name Dawson. That is much better. Yes. I know only people like you can do all this. Yes, quick. So which of the following is present in your mature and processed mRNA? That is, your exons are present. Yes, very good guys. So here we go to question number 38. Fantastic, right? So 45 questions we are going to be done before almost 45 minutes. So 38 of 45. So it takes time because I have to read the question, etc. So histones are rich in lysine, arginine, lysine, histidine, arginine, histidine, leucine, arginine. This will take 2 seconds. There are many questions which takes only 2 seconds. So you can save a lot more time. Right, so anyway, it is paper pen. Yes, quick. Yes, by now everyone should have been done answering. Quick. Yeah, it is lysine and arginine. So fantastic, very good. Okay. So here we go. Question number 39 of 45. So the last 7 questions. So here we go. Why does cactus have so many thorns? Avoiding their predators, minimizing transpiration, minimizing their photosynthesis, both A and B. So what could be the possible answer here? Come on guys. So why does cactus have so many thorns? Yes, quick. Quick, done. It isn't a tough one. You don't have to read so much. It is from your organism and population. So I guess you don't have any much questions from your biomolecules. So don't worry, I will include biomolecules in zoology as well. Okay. Yeah, so this is option D. So this is minimizing transpiration and photosynthesis. Okay. So don't worry, please recollect and recollect. You will feel it easy. So read it or 2 more times, you will still get it. Don't give up. So question number 40 or 45. So here we go. So Antonia, we started answering here. Okay. So ectone is a polluted area, the bottom of a lake, a zone of transition between two communities, a zone of developing community. I know ma'am, this is not there in a syllabus. There should be one small twist in the story. So all questions cannot be easy. If at all your NEET exam has one tough question, you should be able to face it. So hence I am giving you a tough question. Yes, what is an ecotone? Ecotone is a polluted area, the bottom of a lake, a zone of transition between two communities, a zone of developing community. Yeah, ecotone is a zone of transition between two communities. Yes, that is absolutely right answer. So very good guys. So here we go to question number 41. So we are going to be really done. I can't believe it. So it just seems like we just started off with the Menti and here we are in question number 41. So fantastic. So Pusa Gaurav is a variety of dash show resistance against dash. So what are A and B respectively here? Flat bean, jassets, okra, fruit boyer, brassica, alphys, brassica, leaf rust. Quick, quick. I am guessing. So it should not be much tough because they want everyone to get good marks, but at the same time competition will be high. So I guess so. It will not be very tough. So 1 or 2 questions will be like this, a bit tricky. Others will be all right. I have a variety of answers. It's brassica and it is resistance against alphys. Okay, so fantastic. I have a mocktail here. Sorry, a cocktail. So we were talking about a cocktail yesterday, right? So question 42 or 45. So here we go. The entire collection of plants, seeds having all the diverse alleles for all the genes in a given crop is called gene pool collection, genome collection, germplasm collection, in situ conservation. Come on, quick. So 3 more answers to go. Yes, and then we will know who the winner is. Yes, even I'm equally excited, guys. Come on, this is very simple. So all the 3 answers are rubbish. Only 1 answer makes sense. Come on, quick. Ma'am, this class worth it. YouTube, many discussing pre-why. It is only different. Wow, great. Okay, so thank you, Keshav. Okay, the right answer is germplasm collection. So very good, good. So here we go further. So question number 43. So we are nearing the end. So the game is going to end. So 43. So here we go. Flowering in long day plants can be induced in a short day condition by the treatment of auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid. So in a long day plant, if I give this particular phytohormone, it will be flowering in a short day itself. So what is this hormone? Come on, try. Come on, try. Quick. Quick. Okay, and the right answer is gibberellin. Yes, fantastic, very good. Okay, so here we go forward. So question number 44 or 45, the last before question. I know your hearts are beating fast, so is my heart. So here we go. Satellite DNA is classified into mini and microsatellite DNA on the basis of A to T by GC base, length of the fragment, number of repetitive unit, all of the above. So what is satellite DNA? Come on, quick. Quick. So why Gahan? What happened? So anyways, thank you for joining my Menti first. Yes, come on, quick. So satellite DNA में एक ही question है. Come on guys, you can do it. Yes, so it is all of the above that makes the classification of mini and micro satellite. Okay, so satellite DNA means your repetitive DNA. So when the sequences have a long repeat, that is micro, and when it is short, it is mini. Okay, yes. So here we move forward. So question 45 of 45, the last question for the evening. So please don't lose your enthusiasm, and here we go to the 45th question. Okay. Haploids are able to express both recessive and dominant allele or mutation because there are many alleles for each gene, only 2 allele in a gene, only 1 allele for each gene in the individual, 2 alleles for each gene. Haploids are able to express both recessive and dominant allele mutations because, come on, quick. So Gagan, can you get back in Telegram group? Yes. So the right answer here is only one. Okay, so there are only 2 alleles in a gene. So that is why in a haploid you either have a recessive gene or you have a dominant allele. So there are only 2 genes. So that is diploid. So when I say haploid, only one of them comes, right? So here the right answer is option B. So you don't go by the length of the line, right? Okay, so now all of you are excited to see who the winner is. Yes, here you come. Here we go. So let's see who the winner is. Finally, okay, so Fiza is also on the leaderboard. Very good. So Praveen is here, Advait is here, Homer. So who is that Homer? That's okay, that's okay. So you gave 42 right out of 45. Fantastic, man. Very good. So the winner is Anna. So very good. That was a splendid and a brilliant play. So many congratulations. So this might be your first full Menti, I don't know. But that was a fabulous try. So I wish you all the very best, Anna, for your exam. So all the others, Bikash Behra is fastest. So he has been a consistent and a determined player. So very good, Bikash. So Dr. Kathy, very good. So Sunshine, I appreciate your efforts. So Advait, Homer, Morgan, Nisha, Fiza and Praveen, very good. So congratulations. So these are my top 10 players. For all those who were not able to come onto the leaderboard, don't worry, I'm still there with you. My heart goes out to you. So don't lose your determination. So you were just a few steps behind, climb much faster. Okay? Yes? Okay, so you guys are appreciating me because the questions were good. Yes, thank you so much. This gives me a lot of motivation, though it took almost 4 hours for me to do this, but it was worth it, I believe so. So I'll be back on Saturday. So Saturday we are having a 45 question zoology test. So again 45 questions, so please join. Okay. So one more thing, so tomorrow we are having a coffee break for 15 minutes starting from 5 p.m. So we are going to have a motivational session. So that is your money haste mania. Okay? Yes? Fine. Great. So please stay tuned for more such sessions. Okay? So you guys enjoyed this Menti. Okay. So great. Thank you. So looking forward to meet you tomorrow for a coffee break. So please do bring a mug of coffee with you. So we are going to have fun tomorrow for 15 minutes. So that is just to have a deviation from your tedious preparation. So zoology will be on Saturday. So please start preparing. Okay. Yes, all the very best to rock for your zoology Menti quiz. So until then, stay tuned. This is me wishing you more and most. Thank you and bye.